Well, hello there, crafty friends. It is the 1st of September and time to look at Spellbinders Club kits, starting with the Autumn Scarecrow. And this has so many pieces to it to make this fabulous scarecrow. He's got lots of cute scenery you can see there with the pumpkins and sunflowers. He's got his own little sign that says hello pumpkin. There is a crow, and what's really interesting is the opportunity to turn our cute little scarecrow into something that's a bit more scary and spooky for Halloween. I think that's a brilliant way of making the die more versatile. Then we have our Picture Perfect Autumn, which is a very large die set this month, and it's going to give you all the dies to be able to create the different scenery items, so the landscape, the sky, the sides of the fields, as well as all the very fine detailed dies to make up the barn, the trees, the fence line, the pumpkins. There's just so much involved in this die set. I did forget the sun and clouds, but you can see that the die sets work gorgeous on their own with just the, let's say, the sunflowers as a centerpiece, or put together to create this beautiful countryside scenery. Lots of ways to use this die set. Next we have our sunflower, which is our stitch die of the month, and this is a really pretty die. This is a large sunflower which you can choose to layer up on top of itself, as you see in the photos, and that will give you that very full, rich looking blossom or bloom. And then there's multiple different ways you'll see in these photos of how you can stitch the petals as well as the gorgeous centerpiece. And I think they are going to look stunning no matter what time of the year. Our glimmer is called Friendly Thanks, and this is one of my favourite sets they've done for the glimmers. It's going to be perfect for Thanksgiving, but it's also perfect for all the different occasions during the year when you want to give a really heartfelt thanks to someone who's done something wonderful for you, or a friend, or someone in your family. So I think this glimmer set is going to be brilliant for that. And it does include the die that will cut out the outline of the thanks once it's glimmered. So that's perfect. Our betterpress of the month is called Windy Fall Leaves. And you can see you are getting a lot of press plates this month. And you're also going to get sentiments with this set. You get the opportunity to lay out your leaves in whichever pattern you like. And again, leaves can be used whichever way you want. They don't have to be all used together. In keeping with our autumn theme, we've got our colourful pumpkins. This is a really large set of stencils. These will colour layer, and you're going to get 5 individual layering stencils so that you can create all those beautiful different coloured pumpkins or gourds for your background. And you can make this background as simple or as detailed as you like by adding in more blending or embossing. Next is our clear stamp and die of the month, and it is Autumn Wishes. So this consists of a large pumpkin arrangement in one corner and then the little chestnut branches for another corner. Of course, you can use those stamp sets however you please, but they do make a really beautiful focal point on your card or other projects you may want to use them for in autumn. Following that, we have got our Autumn Chevron 2D embossing folder. I really like this embossing folder. I think this one is very, very versatile, and it isn't specific to any particular season. Gives lots of lovely dimension in the way that the image is pressed into the paper, and you're going to have lots of opportunity to use this diagonal chevron in many projects, and it just gives that little bit of texture in the background that some of your larger or simpler projects may require. The 3D embossing folder of the month is called Pumpkin Patch, and it is obvious when you see the images why this is. Just look at all those different layers of pumpkins you can see in the background there, along with those gorgeous sunflowers scattered throughout this gorgeous lush pumpkin patch. This looks gorgeous whether you're using the deboss side or the emboss side, and of course you've got lots of options as to how you use your embossing folder. Next is our wax seal of the month, and this month's set is called Falling Leaves. You can see there we've got a lovely oval shaped seal, and then we've got these gorgeous mixed rich tones of wax beads there to go along with the kit. Of course you can mix those beads, have any variety of colours that you may like, or you can use just one of the colours out of the mix. Now, if you're a subscriber or want to subscribe to the Deluxe Kaboodle kit, you need to know that you're going to pay $120 and receive every single one of the kits that you've seen so far, as well as an extra special gift for subscribing. And that gift is going to be this totally adorable frog with his witch's hat, and then a group of sentiments that will go very nicely with the little frog, as well as all the kits this month. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy your kits when you get them. Until next time, bye bye for now.